Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on PeopleATR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in PeopleATR login. And once you do that, as the search result, in the first option, you can see the website of PeopleATR. Or you can type in login.people.net. It will take you to the login portal for PeopleATR. Here, it asks for your email address. Enter the email address that you used to register your account and click on the Submit button. It will send you the link to your inbox. From there, click on the link and it will ask for your password. Over there, enter the password of your account. And once you do that, you will be logged into your PeopleATR account. So, that's how you can log into your PeopleATR account. This much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.